Hey, this is Matt from Against the Crowd Trading, where we take a realistic, hands off approach to finding good quality setups in the markets from stocks to options to futures to Bitcoin to alt currencies. Our goal is to trade selectively as professionals with discipline so you don't have to sit in front of the screen all day or chase 100 alerts and maybe 50 of them are winners and maybe 50 of them are losers, and you try to discern that. We focus on quality setups here, not constant noise. That being said, we try to provide education and opportunities to learn. Today was one of those days where, again, we talked about it. It was a CPI day following a PPI day. We have these weeks every once a month. You have jobs numbers, you have FOMC every 6 weeks. These days tend to be trading days for me, at least until the news hits, and then I see how the market rejiggers and behaves off of that news. And today, that news happened again, pre-market, 5:30 a.m. here on the West Coast. It was better than expected. Whatever that, everything is better than expected right now, every day. And the market reacted, really traded back to where it closed yesterday at 65.35, ticked there, and then just proceeded up slowly. By the time we opened, we were basically at 65.60, and we climbed up to 6,600. So we got to that 6,600 number. One trade that I did take today, and I didn't talk about it in the setup last night, but round numbers. Markets like to trade to round numbers, especially for the first time. 5, 10, 25, 50, 75, 100. All those are round numbers. A lot of times when those numbers get hit for the first time, they trade there and then they sell off. And we did that right at the close, right about 12:50, right before the market was to close. We ticked up to 6,600, and then we traded all the way back to 65.90 for a quick 10 points in about 4 minutes. So that trade set up nicely, but not a big deal. It's 10 points. The entire range of the market today was really no more than 35, 40 points. So that's a home run day as far as day trading goes. That being said, I am not exclusively a day trader. I prefer to trend trade versus day trade. So keep this in mind, that what you're looking for, if you're looking for action and you're a junkie, you're going to end up losing. It's just, whether you go to the casino or whether you bet on football games, less is more in all these things. You're not going to win every game, so why play 100 games? Why try to pick every NFL game? It's fruitless. You'll never be able to do it. If you win once, you're totally lucky, and that's called gambling. Markets give us an edge sometimes, and sometimes when they give us those edges, you have to step in and take them, and you have to act accordingly. Again, 40 years of experience. I know these round numbers. The first time they get hit tend to sell off. If you're going to a new high, the first time, don't do it every time, but the first time they tend to. If I'm wrong, I'm risking 10 points basically, and I would have sold 6,600 to 6,610, and I would have been out at 65.15 again. It didn't happen. We only had 20 minutes left in the day when this whole trade happened. This market is an inchworm bull market, not an easy market to trade. It's one that just goes up every day. All news is considered good news. We're in an uptrend. Broken record. Very difficult to trade. If you're looking for volatility, you got to find it in different places. We've suggested a couple opportunities that have done very well. Come on into the Discord room. Answer some questions. Come on in. Join us. But if you want to get these ideas and more fruitful, selective ideas, join us at Against the Crowd, because the masses are always, unfortunately, not always, but they're wrong when everybody is leaning to one side. And that's kind of where we are now. Although we're at all-time highs, everybody's very bearish from the retail side, the institutional side. And when everybody is leaning one way, that's why we're grinding up. That's why they call this the fear bull market, because everybody's afraid, but nobody's really participating. So buy and hold is doing great. Traders are having a really tough time because the volatility has really left the building. So tomorrow's Friday. I'm not going to press it here too much.